Hi guys and girls, Dave back with another video, and today I'm here to show you how to restore your Origin game library without having to re-download your games, but they need to be on a separate drive, so I'm going to go through that with you now, and let's get started. Okay, so looking at the desktop, we're going to open this computer, or my computer, and now what I mean by having the games on a separate drive is that you have your OS drive here, this D drive, and a separate drive which you store all your game files on. So in particular, or in my case, I have a 1 terabyte solid state drive that I keep all my games and the platform installers and all that stuff on, which I've just called Games Drive. So the files need to be in, where Origin would put them by default. So I have these games installed at the moment on my Origin. So the first thing before I download Origin again to install it, let's just say we've done a fresh install. We haven't, but I'm going to go through that with you to show you the example. We're going to rename this just 0. And what that does is that when you reinstall Origin, then it will make a folder called Origin Games, and what you do is you basically just copy the files across. But there is a little bit more to it, so I'm going to show you how to do that now. So to start, we're going to have to download Origin. So we open up a web browser and just type in Origin. Origin. Now we need to download Origin. Download Origin for PC, and then basically you just save it wherever you want, but as I've already got it downloaded in my game clients folder, we have Origin there, so I'm just going to install that now. Now then, I want it to save to my games drive, so I'm going to change the destination to the E drive, which is the games drive, as you can see here, and then just want to install it in a folder called Origin. So we're going to click install, and there we are. It's made the folder there called Origin, as you can see. Now you need to accept the agreement, otherwise it just won't work, and you need to download the update files. So we'll have to wait a second for that. There we go. Now that the file's updated, it should launch Origin. And what you need to do is sign in using your account. So my username is, my ID is Hans6. I'm going to type in my password. Remember me, because I like it to sign in automatically. There we go. So now we go to my games. These are all the games that I have available at the moment. So now we need to click Origin in the top left and go to Application Settings. Then we need to go to Advanced. And as you can see, because you've installed Origin on your games drive, it comes up with the E drive program files x86 Origin games. Now I'm just going to close this, and we're going to make sure, as you can see, that it has made a folder called Origin Games. And that's great. That's what you want that to do. So we're going to go back to Origin. We're going to go to My Games now. You're going to need to restart or re-download of all your games. So for example, I'm just going to do Battlefield 4, but you need to do the same for whatever games you want to re-download. Just do a normal install. Let it download, say like I don't know, a few megabytes. So 11, spot on. All right. Just press pause, and then you can just click the X to close the box. Close Origin. Now you actually want to shut down Origin, so right click, click exit. Now load up the folder again. Ooh, wrong one. Load up the folder again, then go to where Origin was. Now you want the original O folder, and you're just going to cut Battlefield 4, and you're going to paste it over that one. So you just press paste. Replace the destination. Basically what that does is it copies all your game files, so when you reload Origin, when we reopen it like we're going to do now, it will think that it's automatically finished the download. as you can see here. So it's then you just restart the download again. It says resuming update, and what it should do, instead of carrying on the download, you know, because Battlefield 4 is a huge game, it should just start installing it. So we'll wait a second and let's see what happens. And as you can see, it's just completed for Battlefield 4, and it's going to do the same for all the updates. There we go. Now Battlefield thinks it's installed and it's downloaded all the files, when in fact all you did was copy them across. And we're clicking play, and it should just load Origin. Sorry, it should load Battle Log, not Origin, and then you can just play. So there we go, guys. I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you you know, had some sort of use from it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.